If you're selling products that come in different sizes, colors, materials, or other options, Shopify makes it easy to organize everything using product variants. Instead of creating separate product pages for every option, you can keep everything under one product listing, making your store look cleaner and easier for customers to shop from. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up product variants in Shopify, step by step, even if you're completely new to the platform. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the menu on the left, click on Products. You can either create a brand new product by clicking Add Product or open an existing product that you want to edit. For this tutorial, you can choose either option because the process is exactly the same. Once you're on the product page, scroll down until you find the Variants section. If you're using Shopify's newer product editor, you may see an option called Add Options or Add Variant. Click on it to begin creating your product variations. The first thing Shopify asks for is the option name. This is simply the category of variation you want to offer. For example, if you're selling clothing, your first option might be size. Type size as the option name, then enter the available values, such as small, medium, large, and extra large. Press Enter after each one so Shopify saves it. Next, let's add another option. Click Add Another Option. Suppose your product comes in multiple colors. Enter Color as the option name, then add values like black, white, blue, and red. Again, press Enter after each one. You can also add a third option if necessary. For example, if your product is available in different materials, enter Material as the option name and add values such as cotton, polyester, or leather. Shopify allows up to 3 product options by default. As soon as you've added these options, Shopify automatically generates all possible combinations. For example, if you created 3 sizes and 4 colors, Shopify will automatically create separate variants for every combination. This saves a lot of time because you don't need to create each version manually. After the variants are generated, you'll see a list containing all of them. It's important to review each variant individually. Click on a variant to edit its specific details. You can assign a unique price, SKU, barcode, inventory quantity, weight, or even upload a separate image for that specific variant. For example, if the red version costs more than the blue version, you can set a different price. Similarly, if only certain sizes are available, you can adjust inventory levels separately so Shopify accurately tracks stock. You should also upload variant images whenever possible. Customers appreciate seeing exactly what they're selecting. To do this, open a variant, click the Image section, and upload the appropriate photo. This means customers choosing the black color will automatically see the black product image on your store. Once you've finished editing all your variants, carefully review everything to make sure the combinations, prices, and inventory levels are correct. Then click Save in the top right corner. To quickly summarize, open your product, go to the Variants section, add options such as size, color, or material, enter the available values, review the automatically created combinations, customize each variant if needed, and save your changes. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to set up product variants in Shopify. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly Shopify guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.